Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NVM on Windows for Node version switching step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Type NVM for Windows into the search bar. Click on the link to the official NVM Windows GitHub repository. Scroll down to the installation section. Download the latest NVM setup.zip file from the releases page. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the NVM setup.zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder to extract the files. Open the extracted folder and double-click on NVM setup.exe. When prompted, click Next to begin the installation. Read the license agreement and select I agree to proceed. Choose the installation location for NVM or leave the default settings. Click Next to continue. Select the directory where Node.js will be installed, or use the default path. Click Next again to proceed. Review the installation settings and click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Finish. Now, open the command prompt. Type NVM version to verify that NVM is installed correctly. To install a specific version of Node.js, type nvm install xxx, replacing xxx with the desired version number. To switch between installed versions, use the command nvm use xxx. Confirm the active version of Node.js by typing node_v. You have now succeeded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.